In this topic, we are going to discuss about that alcohol and phenol on the basis of number of OH groups. That alcohols are classified into four types. One is the monohydric alcohol, second is the dihydric alcohol, third one is the trihydric alcohol, and last one is the polyhydric alcohol. These are the four main types of the alcohol. Let us start with the dihydric alcohol. Now, what is meant by dihydric alcohol? Here, two OH groups are attached to aliphatic carbon, and this is called as the dihydric alcohol. And that compound is also known as diol or glycol. There is one characteristic point. यामध्ये एक महत्वाची गोष्ट कोणती आहे डायहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल मध्ये बघा, नेवर टू OH ग्रुप्स आर प्रेझेंट ऑन द सेम कार्बन. डायहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल मध्ये कधीही दोन OH ग्रुप एकाच कार्बनवरती नसतात. समजा जर त्यामध्ये दोन OH ग्रुप एकाच कार्बनवर असतील, दॅट कंपाऊंड इज हायली अनस्टेबल. हा कंपाऊंड हायली अनस्टेबल आहे. इट लुजेस वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल, म्हणजे एका OH मधला OH आणि दुसऱ्या मधला हायड्रोजन यामधून H2O बाहेर पडतो आणि मग शिल्लक काय राहिलं इथं, तर फक्त C डबल बॉन्ड O आणि हा C डबल बॉन्ड O, and there is formation of carbonyl compound. Means suppose two OH groups are present on the same carbon, it is highly unstable, it will undergo dehydration and form corresponding carbonyl compound, and therefore we must say, म्हणून आपण काय म्हणतो आहोत, in a dihydric alcohol never two OH groups are present on the same carbon. This is just about the introduction dihydric alcohol. In the introduction we will see one more point, nomenclature system. First, about the common system, how the dihydric alcohols are named by using common system. Let us see example of dihydric alcohol. First one is the CH2OH, CH2OH. Suppose that two OH groups are present on the adjacent carbon, then name of the dihydric alcohol is obtained from the name of parent alkene. What is the common name? Ethylene. In common system, if two OH groups are present on the neighboring carbon, if two OH groups are present on the adjacent carbon, then the name of dihydric alcohol is obtained from the name of parent alkene, followed by word glycol. Ethylene glycol, this is the name. Okay, now let us see one more example. CH3CHOH, CH2OH. This is also dihydric alcohol, and here also two OH groups are present on the adjacent carbon. Now, what should be the name of parent alkene? Yes, it is. Yes, it is propylene. The carbon, propylene. Just write the word glycol. Therefore, it is propylene glycol. Name of the compound is the propylene glycol. Very simple. Let us see one more example. Yes, it is again example of dihydric alcohol. What is the parent alkene? What is the name? This is isobutylene. Common name, the isobutylene glycol. That two OH groups are present on the terminal carbon. Here two OH groups are present on the terminal carbon and there is no any branching. Then dihydric alcohols are named as a polymethylene glycol. How many CH2 groups are there? There are three methylene groups. Therefore, it is called trimethylene glycol. Then let us see one more example. Here also that two OH groups are present on the terminal carbon and there is no any branching. But how many methylene groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Therefore, it is pentamethylene glycol. There are 5 methylene groups. There are 5 carbon atoms in the chain. Therefore, it is pentamethylene glycol. This is just about the common system. Suppose two OH groups are present on the adjacent carbon. And second, if two OH groups are present on the terminal carbon and if there is no branching. Okay, this is just about the common system for the nomenclature of dihydric alcohol. Let us see second system, how the compounds are named according to the IUPAC system. यामध्ये rules त्याच पद्धतीने आहे. म्हणजे काय? Select a longest continuous carbon chain having two OH group. म्हणजे आपली ही कार्बनची लॉंग चेन असेल. How many carbons are there? There are two carbon atom. दोन कार्बन आहेत. मग पॅरेंट अल्केन आपला कुठला आहे? इथेन. पॅरेंट अल्केन इज द इथेन. म्हणून याला सफिक्स वापरायचा डायॉल. There are two OH groups. Therefore, we are using suffix diol. This compound having a longest carbon chain, there are two carbons. Parent alkane is the ethane. We are using suffix diol. Okay. Now we should number the carbon atoms in the chain. आपल्याला कार्बनला नंबर द्यावे लागतील. one OH group is present on carbon first and second is present on carbon 2. Therefore, it is ethane 1,2-diol. या कंपाऊंडचं नाव आहे इथेन 1,2-diol. Let us see one more example. Here also, in first case or in first rule, we should select a continuous longest carbon chain having two OH groups. Suppose this is the longest continuous carbon chain having two OH group. How many carbons are there? There are 3 carbon atoms. Parent alkane is the propane. Parent alkane is the propane. आपण सफिक्स वापरतोय डायॉल. आता नंबर देताना कुठून द्यावा लागेल? Number the carbon atoms in the chain from those carbon which is nearer to the OH group. म्हणजे आपल्याला राईट साइड नंबर द्यावा लागेल. बरोबर. इथून 1 असं देऊया आपण. This is the 2, this one is the 3, right? One OH is present on first carbon, second OH is present on second carbon. Therefore, propane 1,2-diol. This is the name of compound. Okay, let us see one more example. Select longest continuous carbon chain having two OH group. मग आपण आपल्याला ही चेन सिलेक्ट करावी लागेल. लॉंगेस्ट कार्बन चेन ज्यामध्ये OH ग्रुप आहेत. हाऊ मेनी कार्बन्स आर देअर? अगेन देर आर 3 कार्बन. प्रोपेन अल्केन, पॅरेंट अल्केन असेल प्रोपेन. त्यानंतर आपण इथल्या OH ग्रुप 2 आहेत म्हणून आपण त्याला डायॉल असं म्हटलं. आता नंबरिंग देत असताना कोणत्या बाजूने देऊया? ज्या बाजूने OH ग्रुप जवळचा आहे. म्हणजे हा फर्स्ट असेल, दिस इज द सेकंड अँड दिस इज द थर्ड. म्हणून आपण याला 1 and 2-diol असं म्हणूया. This 1 and 2 indicate the position of OH group, but this compound having one branching and this is the methyl group. It is present on second carbon. Therefore, 2-methyl propane 1,2-diol. This is the name of compound. हे त्या कंपाऊंडचं नाव असेल 2-methyl propane 1,2-diol. This is about the IUPAC system. Let us see some more example. पुढचं काही एक्झाम्पल मी या ठिकाणी दाखवतो. Here also, this is the longest carbon chain. How many carbons are there? 3 carbon. Therefore, propane 1,3-diol. 1 and 3, these are the positions of OH group. म्हणून याला आपण 1,3-diol असं म्हटलेलं आहे. Propane 1,3-diol. Okay. While there is next example, here also there is the longest carbon chain. How many total carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon. Therefore, again there is a pentane. आणि 2 OH ग्रुप आहेत म्हणजे पेंटेन डायॉल. मग OH ग्रुपची पोझिशन दाखवण्यासाठी नंबरिंग देऊया. राईट किंवा लेफ्ट कुठूनही द्या, सेम आहे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 आपण देऊ शकतो. 1 and 5 इंडिकेट द पोझिशन ऑफ OH ग्रुप. नेम इज द पेंटेन 1,5-diol. बरोबर आहे. दिस इज द नेम. Okay, this is just about the IUPAC system, how that compounds are named in common as well as IUPAC system.